This function filters your data to include only rows that meet certain conditions. For example, you can filter for individuals with systolic blood pressure over 140 or diastolic over 90 millimeters of mercury. Go to Task and Utilities, open Data, and then click on Filter Data. Okay, in the middle pane, we see that under Data tab, under Data, we have the correct dataset fhs_lib.heart selected. And then under Filter, let our variable 1 be systolic blood pressure. And we're going to change this comparison to greater than, you know what, a better one would be greater than or equal to. And here we're going to enter the value for which we want to see all the individuals who have greater than that particular value, or we can even choose distinct value that will select all the individuals with that particular systolic blood pressure, or we can even enter a percentile. But for now, we are going to just enter the value, and that is 140 millimeters of systolic blood pressure. Next, we have to choose either and or. We are going to choose or because we want all the individuals who have either more than 140 millimeters of systolic blood pressure or more than 90 diastolic blood pressure. So our second variable is diastolic blood pressure here. And again, we want to see the individuals who had 90 millimeters or more diastolic blood pressure. So we're going to enter the value as 90. Okay, so both our conditions are now entered. Okay, for the output data set, we can either enter the values in the same, or we can create a new output data set. We're going to create a new output data set. If we do not, then it is going to replace our existing data set, or in this case, it is just creating a new data set in work library, which is in fact a temporary library, and so it will be deleted at the end of the session. So that's not what we want. We're going to create a permanent data set, fhs_lib. That's our library, and the new data set, we're going to name it heart2 data set. And we can also choose the variables we want in the new data set. You can just pick and choose whichever you want, but for now we are just going to keep all the variables. And that's pretty much it, and we're going to just submit the code. So I might have created a heart2 data set previously, so this is giving me a warning, which is fine. I'm going to just replace it. Okay, and if you go back to your server files and folders, under FHS folder, you will see a new heart2 data set right here created. And if I want to check if it has done a good job or a bad job, I already see that heart2 data set has all the individuals with only those who had higher than 90 diastolic blood pressure or higher than 140. Higher or equal to 140 millimeters of mercury.